Hello everybody! Welcome back to We Can Cook. Today we decided to make carrot cake muffins. This is an interesting take on a traditional carrot cake recipe. To start, add your eggs and oil to a mixing bowl. To that, add your milk and grated carrots. Whisk to combine. In a separate mixing bowl, combine the flour with the brown sugar. To that, add your baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Whisk to combine. Now add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients and gently combine using a spatula. Now scoop your batter into a lined muffin tray and fill them 3/4 of the way up. Now bake your muffins in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Your delicious carrot cake muffins are ready. We hope you enjoy them. See you next time!